Hello darlings, for today's video I'll be creating a pop art zombie look for Halloween using the new Wet n Wild Fantasy Makers collection. First, I'm using the butterfly skull stencil and tracing the eye and nose pieces. I'm outlining where I want to draw pop art things using a brow pencil.
I met this 6-year-old child with this blank, pale, emotionless face.
Now I'm painting my entire face blue using a mixture of shades from the Mehron Paradise AQ Basic palette, leaving the areas I outlined blank because I'll be applying different colors in those areas.
The dead will walk the earth.
Anytime that I'm working with paint, I always use brushes that I specifically use for paint as to not ruin my regular makeup brushes.
Even though you are a worthless, greedy lot.
Once I'm an opaque turquoise shade, I'm using the teeth stencil by Wet n Wild to draw in the mouth area by simply applying the white paint to the teeth that are in the blank area that I've left cut out. Next, I'm taking a smaller brush to add some detail to the teeth and shape them some more so that they fit into the blank area better.
Space and you are but a thought.
Then I'm using the white to draw 3 bones in the neck. After that, I'm switching to the Wet n Wild Brights paint palette and using the pink shade to create gums around the teeth.
I met this 6-year-old child, this blank, pale,
Now I'm applying the pink to the blank space on my forehead as it's going to become my brain. Next, I'm filling in some spots with some of the Mehron paints. First, I'm using orange and then yellow. Now I'm using this green multi-stick by Wet n Wild to fill in some other spots, and then I'm mixing both purple shades from the Wet n Wild Brights palette to fill in some other areas. Next, I'm outlining all of the colored areas in black. I'm also creating some depth and adding detail around the teeth, filling in an eyebrow, and creating the brain texture.
Even though you are a worthless, greedy lot.
turn the slide. met this 6-year-old child with this blank, pale, emotionless face, the blackest eyes, the devil's eyes.
When there is no more room in hell, the dead will walk the earth.
After adding some pop art details like lines and dots, I'm adding some winged liner. On one eye, I'm doing green outlined in black, and on the other, I'm just doing black. Next, I'm filling in the blank brow with whites and outlining it in black.
You are a worthless, greedy lot.
Now I'm adding highlights to the look with the white. This is a pretty easy look to do, it just takes some time as you have to add some details in black and white to really create some pop art effects. Now for the lips, I'm applying the Wet n Wild Megalast lipstick in the shade Hazardous Red, outlining them in black, and adding a few white highlights. To complete the look, I'm popping on a wig and 2 different colored contact lenses. And that completes this Zombae look. Are you doing anything for Halloween this year? If so, let me know what you're dressing up as in the comments below, and please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you next time!